Have you ever wondered about the clever capuchin monkeys, those agile creatures swinging through the trees in Central and South America? These fascinating primates are a part of the New World monkeys, a term that refers to monkeys native to the tropical regions of the Americas. Capuchin monkeys are easily recognizable with their round heads, fully haired prehensile tails, and opposable thumbs. Their distinct physical appearance features dark fur with white faces, throats, and chests. But it's not just their looks that make them fascinating. Known for their intelligence, they exhibit clever behaviors like using tools and natural insect repellents. Living up in the trees, capuchins are diurnal creatures, active during the day and resting at night. They are social animals, forming noisy troops of 10 to 40 members. These troops are a mix of males, females, and their offspring, providing a strong social structure for the monkeys. Now that you know what a capuchin monkey is, let's dive into their distribution across Central and South America. Capuchins aren't just confined to one place. They've made their homes across a wide range of Central and South America. Come with us on a journey through the lush tropical forests, from the dense jungles of Costa Rica to the sprawling wilderness of Brazil, home to these fascinating creatures. The capuchin family, scientifically known as 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤, spreads its branches into 2 genera and a staggering 28 species and 9 subspecies, each unique and perfectly adapted to its environment. As we traverse the South American continent, we encounter various capuchin species, each with a unique tale to tell. In the east, the tufted capuchins rule, their distinctive crests a sight to behold. Moving towards the west, we see the untufted capuchins, their smooth heads standing out amongst the foliage. These species aren't just divided by their physical characteristics but also by the regions they inhabit. From the humid rainforests of the Amazon to the dry deciduous forests and the coastal mangroves, capuchins have adapted to thrive in a variety of habitats. This adaptability has resulted in a wide distribution, but it also means that each species faces unique challenges. Conservation statuses of these species vary as widely as their habitats. Some are of least concern, their numbers stable and populations healthy. Others, however, teeter on the brink of extinction, their existence threatened by habitat loss and human activities. The wide-ranging distribution of capuchin monkeys is a testament to their incredible adaptability. These intelligent creatures have found ways to survive and thrive in diverse environments, from the densest jungles to the driest forests. However, this wide distribution also poses challenges for conservation efforts. Each species requires specific strategies tailored to its habitat and lifestyle. Despite these challenges, efforts are being made to study and protect these diverse capuchin populations to ensure their survival in the wild. Their widespread presence is a testament to their adaptability. But where do they find their food? Capuchins have a diverse palate, but what exactly do they eat and where do they get it from? Well, capuchin monkeys are quite the gourmets of the primate world. They have a broad diet, and they aren't picky eaters. Their favorite delicacies? Palm fruits. These monkeys have a particular fondness for these fruits, but they don't limit themselves to just that. Their menu is quite extensive, including a variety of fruits and vegetables. You'll find them foraging for these in the lush, tropical forests of Central and South America. But it's not just plant-based food that they enjoy. Capuchins are also known to hunt small animals. That's right, they're not strictly vegetarian. They'll snack on insects and small vertebrates when the opportunity arises. What's even more fascinating about these creatures is how they find their food. Capuchins are intelligent, resourceful, and creative. In their quest for nourishment, they employ tools and natural insect repellents. For instance, they've been observed using sticks to dig out insects from tree barks or rocks. Their nimble fingers and opposable thumbs come in handy when they're manipulating these tools, but the intelligence of these monkeys doesn't stop there. They also use natural insect repellents to ward off bugs while they're enjoying their meal. They've been seen rubbing caterpillars or ants on their fur, taking advantage of the insect's natural defensive chemicals to keep the pests at bay. So, as you can see, when it comes to feeding, capuchins are quite sophisticated. They don't just find food, they engage with their environment, utilizing it in innovative ways to ensure they get their fill. Now that we know how they fill their bellies, let's talk about capuchin family life. Capuchin monkeys don't just breed at specific times of the year, they are ready to expand their families all year round. Unlike some animals that have designated mating seasons, capuchins do not follow such patterns. Their readiness for procreation is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, and it's one of the many reasons why they're such fascinating creatures. When it comes to having babies, Capuchins typically have single births after a 6-month gestation period. That's right, after just half a year, a new Capuchin monkey is welcomed into the world. This fast turnover is another element of their survival strategy in the wild, allowing for rapid population growth when conditions are favorable. Now let's talk about sexual dimorphism. In case you're not familiar with the term, sexual dimorphism refers to the physical differences between males and females of a species. In Capuchins, these differences are relatively subtle compared to some other primates. Both males and females have similar physical appearances, with dark fur and white faces, throats, and chests. However, males tend to be slightly larger and heavier than females, a common trait in many primate species. But sexual dimorphism in Capuchins isn't just about size, it also plays a role in their social dynamics. Males, being larger, often assert dominance within their groups. They use their size and strength to establish hierarchy and secure mating rights, contributing to the overall social structure of their troops. These breeding patterns and social dynamics are part of what makes Capuchin monkeys so intriguing. They're not just animals living in the wild, they're complex societies with their own rules and roles. And it's these complexities, these intricate behaviors and interactions, that continue to captivate scientists and animal lovers alike. With their unique breeding patterns and interesting social dynamics, Capuchins are truly fascinating creatures. Fancy seeing a Capuchin monkey in its natural habitat? Here's how you can do that. One of the best places to witness the captivating life of Capuchin monkeys is the Pantanal region in Brazil. This diverse ecosystem is a haven for wildlife, offering visitors an opportunity to observe and appreciate its rich biodiversity. Amid the chorus of birds, the rustle of armadillos, and the placid gaze of capybaras, you'll find the playful and intelligent Capuchin monkeys thriving in their natural environment. Capuchin monkeys are diurnal creatures, meaning they are most active during the day. This makes daylight hours the optimal time to spot them. They're especially active in the early mornings and late afternoons, so plan your jungle exploration accordingly. Now remember, it's essential to observe from a respectful distance. These are wild animals living in their natural habitat, and it's crucial to minimize human interference. While their antics may be entertaining, getting too close can be harmful and stressful for them. Respect also means not feeding the monkeys. Capuchins have a diverse diet including fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. They are skilled foragers, and feeding them disrupts their natural feeding patterns and can lead to health issues. While the Pantanal region is a fantastic place to see Capuchins, they can also be found across Central and South America, in tropical forests. Each species has specific habitats, making each viewing experience unique. Organizations like Pantanal Escapes provide guided tours, ensuring a responsible and enriching wildlife viewing experience. They can guide you on the best times and locations to view these fascinating creatures, while also educating you about their behaviors and roles in the ecosystem. Remember, it's a privilege to watch these animals in the wild, so always respect their space. The survival of Capuchin monkeys is under threat due to habitat loss and human activities, but there's something we can do about it. The diverse family of Capuchin monkeys spread across Central and South America faces a range of conservation statuses from least concern to critically endangered. Each species has its specific habitats and population densities. Some of them are teetering on the brink because of relentless habitat loss and human activities. However, all hope is not lost. Organizations like the Rainforest Alliance are stepping up to protect these intelligent creatures. This non-profit is working tirelessly to conserve wildlife corridors, save breeding grounds, and preserve habitats for endangered species, including our Capuchin friends. Their efforts extend beyond just protection. They aim to restore balance to the planet by fighting climate change and supporting the people and wildlife who call these rainforests home. But they can't do it alone. They need our help. So what can we do? Well, we can start by supporting these organizations. Look for the Rainforest Alliance certification seal when you shop. This seal signifies that the product was produced with methods that support the conservation of our rainforests. You can also contribute directly to these organizations. Every dollar counts and helps continue the vital work of studying and protecting diverse Capuchin populations. And it's not just about money. We can make conscious choices in our everyday lives to protect the environment. Small actions like recycling, reducing our use of plastic, or even planting a tree can make a big difference. Remember, the survival of the Capuchin monkeys and countless other species lies in our hands. We have the power to change their fate. Before we wrap up, if you found this video informative and want to learn more about the fascinating world of animals and adventure travel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that Capuchin monkeys continue to swing through the trees for generations to come.